To create bend text effect in Photoshop, select the text and convert it into a smart object. Press Ctrl or Command R for ruler and add guides from all sides and also on the center. We also need 4 more guides inside the text, and its placement should be according to the thickness of the text. These guides will help us to give the perspective view to get the bend effect. Now go to Edit and click on Perspective Warp. We will create 2 quad shapes, one for the top portion and second from the bottom. Now click on Warp button and adjust the corners. Because of the guides, it's easy to bend the text. When you are done, click on Take in the header. Next, take the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection on the top portion. Create the new layer and take the brush tool. Choose the color white. Click one time in the left corner, then while holding Shift, click on the right corner to create a straight stroke. Then press Ctrl J to create a duplicate layer. Ctrl I to invert the color to black. Ctrl T to transform. Scale it from top guide to the bottom guide. Press Enter. While holding Shift, select both layers and change their blend mode to multiply. Set the opacity 20%. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layers. Change their opacity to 50% and blend mode will be overlay. Because the effect is going outside the text, we need to clip it. While holding Alt, click in between all 4 layers to clip it with the bending text. Press Ctrl H to hide the guides. If you want, we can also place an image inside the text. To do that, select the Smart Object layer. Place any image right above it. Press Enter, and while holding Alt, click in between both layers to clip it. Take the Move tool and use the arrow keys from your keyboard to adjust the placement of the image. And because we use the Smart Object, we have the ability to edit the text. Double click on Smart Object and change this text to your text. Scale it from the sides, go to File and save it. Switch to the main file to see the result, and there we have our bend text effect updated. I hope you learned something new. My name is Shubham. I thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena.